Hello everyone. Hello there. So we are team J coders and we are very excited to present our submission for the KendoReact Free Components Challenge by Dev.2, which invites developer to explore KendoReact's free UI components and discover how their AI tools can accelerate the AI powered development. So KendoReact provides about 50 plus free components uh, which which is needed to build polished, high-performing, and accessible applications. So for this challenge, we built a React application which utilizes at least 10 components and which demonstrates the creativity and versatility of Kendo React's component library. So we created a team performance dashboard here that you can see, and there are multiple actions that are available, and it is an internal web application designed for managers to track team productivity, attendance, and KPIs like key performance indicators. So this enterprise grade solution addresses the real world challenge of managing distributed teams and making data driven decisions based on the employee performance. So this dashboard solves critical business problems like data accessibility. It focuses on centralizing the employee performance metrics into one interface. It also has historical analysis for each employee so that we can also use the AI to query the data through natural language queries, and it also has team management functions so that we can group multiple employees into a particular team, and each team has their particular role, and we can keep the employee status as active or inactive here. And along with that we have visual metrics, so you can see the performance trends, the team distributions, along with you can check the report up here. And in the analytics we have various charts, bar diagrams, which can be seen for the actionable insights through these charts. And as you can see, this main dashboard up here, this provides the employee grid with real-time filtering and sorting capabilities. So you can choose the date range here, and these are one Kendo React component. You can also select the teams and their particular roles, and based on that, these values would be updated. And you can also click on this export button to export the files. And along with that, we have one sidebar. So this sidebar, you can type in this natural language query, and it will use the Nuclei API or the SDK to get the information from the backend. So what you can do, you can type in show me the Q2 results for developers in Bangalore, like this. And now when you press this blue button, this search with AI button, you can get the reports. And in this project, we are using multiple Kendo React components, which are the grid, the grid column, and grid toolbar. And these are the core data components. After that, for the user interface, we are using buttons, input, switches, and for the forms, you can see we are using this date pickers, the date pickers. We are using this drop down list, and for the navigation and the modals, we are using dialog and dialog action bars. And for the feedback components, we are using notifications and notification groups. With the notifications, let me create one demo. So when you click on this download button, you can see this download is currently being processed. And after that, if it download is completed, then it will show that download has been completed successfully. And in this project, we have used the leverage the AI coding assistant throughout the development process, which significantly accelerated our workflow. And we used the AI to generate the initial component structures and establish the KendoReact imports. And AI helped us for proper component organization and the React hooks usage very much. And for the CRUD related operations, we use the AI to create the employees. Like you can see, we can enter like iOS, then iOS at gmail.com. iOS is in backend team. He is a developer. Let's suppose iOS annual salary is about 100K. It's 10,000, then this 100K, and these are the percentages. So let's keep the attendance percentage at 90, productivity is also as 80, and KPI score as 90. Now, when we click on the add employee button, you can see iOS data has been added into the table. And after that, you can filter the team by the backend. Then you can see iOS is also on the backend team up here. And for all these things that you are getting seeing on this page, we are using this state management. And for this state management, AI helped us very much too. And after that, there is this CSS integration and responsive design. So Kendo React component is already handling the CSS part. So we don't need to do the stylings by our own very much. And these themes are very consistent across the mobile device also. And there is this for the dialog box and modals, there is this login pop-up, and we can enter like admin at gmail.com, pass at 123. And when you click on this login, you can see this user has been logged in successfully. Okay. There is, this is only a demo. So there is no particular backend API calls in this process, but we are updating the state only here. And for the AI coding assistant, like for the nuclear integration, we tried to integrate this AI query based assistant, but there is this API key requirement. So after this 14-day trial, it will not work. But we are trying to integrate that as well. And yeah, that's all. Thank you.